Alright, so the first way to make your computer faster is to do a simple restart. We'll be going in order from the most known ways to speed up your PC or Mac to the things you can change that are a bit more obscure. So, everybody's heard it, whether it be from your siblings, your friends, your financial advisor, I don't know, but neither you nor them probably know why it helps. So, when you restart your computer, any program that may need to restart to work, or any program that is running in the background even after you close it, will actually close, which will give you back a bit more CPU and RAM that could be used for something else. Also, you should update your PC. This is way to 1.5 because most people already do that, but if you don't, just know not updating will slow down the PC and give it a larger risk of being hacked. Next, deleting unused apps and files will really help boost your computer. This is another one that nearly everybody knows. Deleting unused apps and files will help your Mac or PC become faster in many ways. First, deleting older unused files can free up space in your hard drive. This can also be said about apps. However, apps really take up a whole lot less space compared to files. But deleting old apps can help with the running in the background. And as you'll see later in the video, apps running in the background will significantly slow down your computer. Oh, and did I say later in the video? I meant right now, because the third way to make your computer faster is to remove apps running in the background. But how do you do that? Well, there are different ways to do it, depending if you're on macOS or Windows, so let's cover both. First, in macOS, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner, and click Force Quit. After clicking Force Quit, locate the apps you aren't using and select the Force Quit button for each of them. On Windows, click on the search bar and search for Task Manager. Just like on the Mac, locate the apps you aren't using, right-click on them, and click End Task. And there you go. All the apps running in the background are gone. But how do you stop them from opening again when you start up your computer? Well, let's go on to the fourth way to make your computer faster, which is to disable startup apps. In Windows 11, open Settings, click on Apps, and then click on Startup. From there, remove every non-essential app from starting up automatically. On Mac, locate System Preferences, then click on Users and Groups, and click the Login Items tab. From there, just like on Windows 11, remove all the apps you don't use when you start up your computer. Alternatively, for more speed, you could turn them all off. Just make sure you don't turn off any startup thing that isn't an app, because a lot of them are actually quite important. Alright, let's get into the more obscure ways to make your Mac or PC faster. The next way to make your computer faster can be hard to do, but trust me, if you're a video editor or a gamer, you understand how much space your software takes up. So why not put it all the remaining apps on another SSD or hard drive? Now, I can't really explain how to do this, as each app is different, but generally, you'll have an option during or after installation to offload a piece of software onto an external drive. Personally, I like to upload my downloads and desktop onto an external drive every month, and I'd recommend you do the same, because most of the time, the things in your downloads and desktop are only used once, and never again. Although, you gain storage, which can be used for something else. I'll put a link for a good external hard drive in the description if you want it. Not sponsored or affiliate link, just a good product I found to be useful. Anyways, the sixth way to speed up your computer is to optimize it. If you have a Dell machine like me, it will have an optimization software pre-installed. Same can be said for HP. However, if you have a custom-built PC or Mac, I'll put a few optimization softwares that I found to be useful in the description as well. Number 7 is overclocking. Now, I do have to warn you, overclocking is dangerous, and if not done properly, you could end up breaking your PC or even burning it. Also, this does not work for Macs, as Macs are not designed to overclock. Anyways, here's what overclocking is. So, overclocking is making your computer go beyond the speed the manufacturer wanted to be. So overclocking will make the components in your computer run to their absolute limit, to the point where if you make them faster, they will break. Now, this does stress out your computer, and it will reduce the longevity of the computer's lifetime. So if you plan to have your computer for more years to come, this is not for you. I'd recommend finding the specifications of your computer and researching how to overclock it safely. Alternatively, you can use software like MSI Afterburner, which will safely overclock your PC. Again, link in the description. Number 8 is updating drivers. Now, Macs don't have drivers. They have something called KEX. But after macOS 11, Apple's starting to phase out KEX and let developers make their own drivers. So do your own research, because things will be changing soon for the Mac. Anyways, Windows normally updates your drivers automatically, and optimization softwares normally do the same. But sometimes they miss things, which is where a driver updater comes in. It will regularly check and update your drivers that Windows missed out on, further speeding up your PC. Once again, I will leave a good one in the description down below. Number 9 seems pretty obvious, but it's something that many people fall for and don't realize it. Guess we teleport to my PC setup. But anyways, number 9 is viruses. You should check at least once a week for viruses, no matter if you're on a Mac or a PC. People think they will know if a virus is on their computer, but the fact is, these malware are designed for you not to notice them sneaking onto your computer. I'll link a couple of good virus detecting softwares in the description of this video. Yeah, I've said that a bit too much in this video, but all I have to say is that you better have checked the description at this point. The final way to boost your PC is to properly store the PC. This is something that people take for granted, and it drives me insane. So here's how to properly store your PC. First, if it's a laptop or a PC with vents facing the floor, don't put it on your bed or a carpet. All it will do is act as a vacuum over time, and it'll be filled with dust at the end. Next, keep space between the floor and your computer. A general rule is about 1 centimeter off the ground. This will help cool down the computer. Also, organize your cords. If your cables connecting to the PC are spaghetti or are sitting under the computer, fix that. Not just will it make it easier to replace them later on, but it will boost the longevity of the cords. The final thing is to keep your PC closed. This may seem obvious, but if you're a tech tinker who opens their PC, you're making it hotter because the fans are designed to work with the PC closed, and you're getting dust straight into the machine. Anyways, now that you're at the end of the video, check out my other videos, like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.